Hello, this is Crypto Ivan's channel and a new issue of news from the world of artificial intelligence. Here, I talk about the most unusual events related to AI, explain them in simple language, and you can draw conclusions about how these events will affect the life of each of us as early as tomorrow. My name is Ivan. I am an investor and businessman. I have 6 projects in the field of crypto, IT, and artificial intelligence. And while I am working, right now my digital double is recording this video for you. All the information has been personally double-checked by me. The future is already here. AI-based apps use celebrities in advertising without their permission. Scarlett Johansson has sued the Lisa AI 90s yearbook and avatar app, which is based on artificial intelligence. The American actress accused the creators of the program of using her name and image in the online advertising of the app without her permission. The case concerns a 22-second commercial published on the app's page on the social network X, formerly known as Twitter. It is alleged that real footage of Johansson from the shooting of the Marvel film Black Widow and her voice were used to create the video. All this was processed by a neural network. The actress herself did not participate in the shooting of the commercial and did not give permission for the use of her images and voice. In the ad, Scarlett Johansson's avatar promotes the app and encourages users to create unique avatars. At the same time, it is indicated in small print at the bottom that all images are created by Lisa AI and have nothing to do with this person. After the lawsuit was filed, the post with the video was removed from the company's blog. However, apps from Lisa AI are still present in the App Store and Google Play. This is not the first such case. A month ago, Tom Hanks warned in his Instagram account that his image was used for advertising purposes without his consent. As the artist noted, there is an artificial intelligence-generated video promoting dental services. Meanwhile, artificial intelligence has learned to read thoughts from human brain scans. Researchers from the University of Texas at Austin have created a mind-reading system that can read images of human brain activity and convert them into a continuous stream of text. The scientific data were published in the specialized journal Nature Neuroscience. The system with artificial intelligence is called a semantic decoder. It is designed to help people who have lost speech but are conscious, for example, after a stroke. Interestingly, the work partially relies on a transformer model similar to the one used in the artificial intelligence chatbot GPT. To train artificial intelligence, researchers recorded the brain response of 3 people when they listened to 16 hours of oral stories. The decoder could accurately predict how a person's brain would react to a sequence of words. The fundamental difference between the development and other mind-reading technologies is that it does not need to be implanted in the brain. Now researchers are thinking about how to use the decoder in practical purposes in everyday life. Samsung has presented the artificial intelligence Gauss. The neural network is named after the famous mathematician. According to the company, Gauss can compose emails, summarize documents, translate content, assist in programming, which will allow developers to easily and quickly write code, describe code, and create test examples through an interactive interface, create and edit creative images, as well as convert low-resolution images to high-resolution, even outpace TikTok. ChatGPT has become the fastest-growing service in history. ChatGPT has been used by about 100 million active monthly users. This makes ChatGPT the fastest-growing consumer app in history. More than 20 million people use the chat every month. Interestingly, the previous record was beaten just 2 months after ChatGPT became publicly available. For comparison, experts from the Swiss holding company UBS provide data that TikTok needed 9 months and Instagram 2.5 years to reach similar figures. In 20 years of observing the internet space, we cannot remember a faster growth rate for a consumer internet application, noted analyst Lloyd Walmsley. It seems that the world is changing even faster than I warn about it. For example, ChatGPT not only helps to save time in everyday life or study, but also allows you to work more efficiently, which means to take a more solid place in the competitive environment of the company where a person receives a salary. In other words, in the near future, those who can work with artificial intelligence will be more valuable employees in the labor market and will be safer from layoffs than conservatives. That's all for today. Write in the comments which news you find the most interesting and deserving of attention. See you in the next videos.